How to Speak English Fluently. Beginner's Guide. Hello and welcome. If you want to speak English fluently, you're in the right place. On this channel, I'll help you improve your English with simple, practical methods that actually work. No boring lessons, just real conversations and useful tips. Part 1. What you need to become fluent in English. What do you really need to become fluent in English? Let's break it down into 3 key things. Practice speaking daily. You don't need perfect grammar to start speaking. The more you practice, the more confident you'll get. Even if you make mistakes, that's okay. It's part of learning. Think in English. Stop translating in your head. Instead, try to connect words directly with ideas. For example, when you see an apple, don't think of your native language first, just think apple in English. Listen and imitate. Listen to native speakers, copy their pronunciation, and repeat phrases. This will help you sound more natural. Now, let's put these into practice with some easy exercises. Part 2. Learning basic English sentences for conversations. To start speaking English, you need simple sentences that you can use every day. Let's learn a few together. Greetings and introductions. When you meet someone, here's how you can start a conversation. Hello, how are you? Casual greeting. Hi, nice to meet you. When meeting someone new. I'm good, thanks. And you? How to respond. Practice. Now repeat after me. Hello, how are you? Great, now try. Hi, nice to meet you. Part 3. Common English phrases for beginners. Let's go over some common English phrases that you can use in everyday situations. Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the nearest bus station? Can you say that again, please? These are useful when you are traveling or talking to someone in English. 2. Ordering food. I'd like a pizza, please. Can I have a coffee? How much does it cost? Try practicing these sentences when you go to a restaurant. Part 4. Pronunciation. Practice. Pronunciation is important for clear communication. Let's practice a few tricky English sounds. TH sound, think versus sink. Put your tongue between your teeth and say th as in think. Now try think, thank you. 3. R and L sound, right versus light. R is pronounced with your tongue curled back, while L touches the roof of your mouth. Now try right, light, really. Repeat these sounds every day, and soon you'll notice a big improvement. 5. Quick speaking practice. Now, let's have a mini conversation. I'll say a sentence, and you reply. Me. Hello, how are you? You. Me. Where are you from? You. Practicing like this will help you feel more comfortable speaking English. Conclusion and call to action. Great job today. Remember, learning English takes time, but with practice, you will improve. Keep speaking, listening, and thinking in English. Subscribe to this channel for more lessons, and I'll see you in the next video.